Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and in today's class we are going to learn about Anemia Mukta Bharat program. Before we start, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for updates. Anemia Mukta Bharat program. It is also known as AMB program. Anemia Mukta Bharat program ये नेशनल न्यूट्रिशनल प्रोग्राम के अंडर पे आता है। इसमें दो इंपॉर्टेंस पॉइंट्स को कवर किया गया है। फर्स्ट वन इज अ लाइफ साइकिल अप्रोच एंड द सेकंड वन इज अ स्ट्रेटजीज। लाइफ साइकिल अप्रोच मीन्स ऑल स्टेजेस ऑफ लाइफ फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड टू ओल्ड एज। लाइफ साइकिल अप्रोच मीन्स इसमें इंक्लूड किया गया है चाइल्डहुड टू ओल्ड एज ग्रुप को। एंड स्ट्रैटेजीज स्ट्रैटेजीज इंक्लूड किया गया है 6 into 6 into 6 स्ट्रैटेजीज। द 6 strategies include the first 6 means that is a 6 beneficiary age, and the next 6 strategies means that is a 6 intervention, and the last 6 that means it is a institutional mechanism। means एनीमिया मुक्त भारत प्रोग्राम को हम डिटेल से पढ़ते हैं कि ये 6 into 6 into 6 स्ट्रैटेजीज के अंदर पे क्या क्या इंटरवेंशन एंड कौन कौन से बेनिफिशियर एज ग्रुप आते हैं और कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूशनल मैकेनिज्म जो है इसमें इंक्लूड किया जाता है। Introduction: Anemia is a significant public health challenge in India. Iron deficiency anemia results in impaired cognitive and motor development in children and decrease the work capacity in adults. The effects are most severe in infancy and early childhood. In pregnancy, iron deficiency anemia can lead to perinatal loss, prematurity, and low birth weight babies. First, anemia is a significant public health challenge in India. Why? Anemia affects a large number of people, especially women of reproductive age, children under 5 years of age group, as well as pregnant women. In India and many other developing countries, more than 50% of women and children may be anemic. As well as in children, it can lead to poor growth, learning difficulties, as well as delayed development. Iron deficiency anemia results in impaired cognitive as well as motor development in children. आयरन डेफिशिएंसी एनीमिया से क्या रिजल्ट्स होते हैं? impaired cognitive and motor development in children. Cognitive means it refers to related to thinking, understanding, learning as well as a motor process. As well as the motor developments include there is a movement, yeah, gross motor, fine motor, all the developments include there is a because of there is a impaired हम बोल सकते हैं cognitive और motor development होता है। क्यों होता है? Because of the iron deficiency anemia. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन एडल्ट। अगर एडल्ट में अगर आयरन डेफिशिएंसी एनीमिया होता है तो उसकी जो वर्क कैपेसिटी है वो डिक्रीज हो जाती है। मोस्ट सिवियर इफेक्ट जो हम देखते हैं दैट इज इन्फेंसी एंड अर्ली चाइल्डहुड में। इन प्रेगनेंसी में अगर आयरन डेफिशिएंसी एनीमिया होता है इट कैन लीड टू पेरीनेटल लॉस। पेरीनेटल लॉस मीन्स द डेथ ऑफ बेबी ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी और शॉर्टली आफ्टर बर्थ। Perinatal loss means it is a death of baby during pregnancy as well as shortly after birth या neonatal death हम बोल सकते हैं या stillbirth. Prematurity. Premature birth means when the baby is delivered before the 37 weeks of gestational age. Low birth weight babies means when the birth weight is less than 2.5 kg. Full term पे delivered होते हैं but birth weight जो रहता है वो less than 2.5 kg होता है. That all the introduction regarding the anemia. Anemia Mukt Bharat program. It was launched in 2018 by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. It is also known as Intensified National Iron Plus Initiative, that is ITES NIPE, complying with the targets of Poshan Abhiyan and National Nutrition Strategies set by Niti Aayog. It employs a life cycle approach and a 6 into 6 into 6 strategies to tackle anemia through 6 beneficiary age groups and 6 key intervention and 6 institutional mechanism. It aims to reduce the prevalence of anemia in different age groups. Anemia Mukta Bharat program. It is launched in 2018 by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज इसका दूसरा नाम भी है इंटेंसिफाइड नेशनल आयरन प्लस इनिशिएटिव एंड इट इज अ कोलैबोरेशन विद द या इट इज अ टुगेदर विद द पोषण अभियान एंड नेशनल न्यूट्रिशन स्ट्रेटजीज
It is said by the Niti Aayog. Anemia Mukta Bharat program in that includes life cycle approach. Life cycle approach it includes the all stage group that from childhood to old age group. And a 6 into 6 strategies means it is a 6 beneficiary age group, 6 key intervention and the 6 institutional mechanism. It aimed to reduce the prevalence of anemia in different age group. मेनली फोकस किया गया था कि जो एनीमिया को प्रिवेंट करना है कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप है, ये डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप जो है 6 बेनिफिशियरी एज ग्रुप्स में इंक्लूड होता है. तो मेन एम टू रिड्यूस द मोर्टेलिटी एंड मॉर्बिडिटी रेट इन द केस ऑफ एनीमिया. Life cycle approach. Anemia Mukta Bharat program addresses anemia across all stages of life from childhood to old age with specific intervention from different age group. Life cycle approach in that include from childhood to old age as well as provide the specific intervention from different age group. हर एक एज ग्रुप के लिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जो इंटरवेंशन प्रोवाइड किया गया है that include the life cycle approach. The life cycle approach it include the all stages of life from childhood to old age with specific intervention for different age group. Objectives of Anemia Mukt Bharat program to reduce the prevalence of anemia in India, especially among children, adolescents, and women of reproductive age using a life cycle approach. Reduce the prevalence of anemia by 3% point per year among children, adolescents, and women in reproductive age group. Main objectives of Anemia Mukta Bharat program means to reduce the prevalence of anemia in India, especially the children, adolescents, as well as the women of reproductive age. The reproductive age group include 15 to 49 years, as well as the reduce the prevalence of anemia by 3% point per year among children, adolescents, and women of reproductive age group 15 to 49 years. एवरी ईयर जो है वो चिल्ड्रन एडोलेसेंट्स एंड वुमेन्स इन रिप्रोडक्टिव एज ग्रुप में जो रिड्यूस करना है प्रिवलेंस रेट ऑफ एनीमिया को इन एवरी ईयर 3% पॉइंट पर ईयर. Main objectives of Anemia Mukt Bharat program that means to reduce the prevalence of anemia in different age group. इस स्लाइड पे आप देख सकते हैं कि ये जो है हम 6 into 6 into 6 स्ट्रैटेजीज मीन्स 6 into 6 into 6 जो प्लान है टू फाइट अगेंस्ट एनीमिया में इसमें जो है वो इंक्लूड किया गया है कि एनीमिया मुक्त भारत में 6 बेनिफिशरीज एज ग्रुप 6 interventions and the 6 institutional mechanism means it is a 6 into 6 into 6 plan. Anemia Mukt Bharat, the Anemia Mukt Bharat will use a 6 into 6 into 6 strategies to combat anemia. That means जो एनीमिया मुक्त भारत जो है वो यूज करने वाला है या यूज कर रहा है दैट इज अ 6 into 6 स्ट्रैटेजीज या 6 into 6 प्लान. स्ट्रैटेजीज मीन्स हियर प्लान फॉर फाइट अगेंस्ट द एनीमिया. तो हम वन बाय वन देखते हैं कि ये 6 बेनिफिशरीज एज ग्रुप क्या होते हैं, 6 इंटरवेंशंस क्या है, एज वेल एज द 6 इंस्टीट्यूशनल मैकेनिज्म के अंदर क्या क्या जो है वो पॉइंट्स को इंक्लूड किया गया है. Anemia Mukta Bharat program in that include the first one 6 beneficiary groups. A 6 beneficiary age group in that include the life cycle approaches. Life cycle approach में हमने देखा था कि it is a जो ऑल स्टेजेस के ग्रुप को इंक्लूड किया गया है. इसमें लैक्टेटिंग मदर है, प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन है, एज वेल एज रिप्रोडक्टिव वुमेन्स को या चिल्ड्रंस को इसमें जो है वो इंक्लूड किया गया है. तो हम देखते हैं कि 6 बेनिफिशियरी एज ग्रुप कौन कौन से हैं. 6 beneficiary age group include children that is 6 to 59 months, children 5 to 9 years, adolescents 10 to 19 years, women of productive age that is 15 to 49 years, pregnant women and lactating women. In that the 6 beneficiary age group, the in here pictures that is the 6 to 59 months, second picture that is 5 to 9 years, third picture that is adolescents girls in that the 10 to 10 to 19 years. And this is the fourth picture, that is the pregnant women, in that. Then the next picture is a lactating mother, and the last one, that is the women of reproductive age group, that is 15 to 49 years. Children 6 to 59 months, then 5 year to 9 year, 10 year to 19 years adolescents, pregnant women, lactating mother, and women of reproductive age group, that is 15 to 49 years. That is the sixth beneficiary age group.
Anemia Mukt Bharat program, in that the six intervention, सिक्स स्ट्रैटेजीज में नेक्स्ट हम सिक्स इंटरवेंशन देखते हैं जो एनीमिया मुक्त भारत प्रोग्राम के अकॉर्डिंग सिक्स इंटरवेंशंस कौन कौन से इंक्लूड किए गए हैं. सिक्स इंटरवेंशंस आर: फर्स्ट वन प्रोफाइलेक्टिक आयरन फॉलिक एसिड सप्लीमेंटेशन, सेकेंड वन इज deworming, थर्ड वन इंटेंसिफाइड बिहेवियरल चेंज कम्युनिकेशन, हमको ऐसे कम्युनिकेशन चैनल्स यूज करना है फॉर द मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर. देन फोर्थ वन टेस्टिंग एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एनीमिया. Then fifth one is IFA, that is iron folic acid fortified foods. The fortified foods means the foods are which extra nutrient have been added. That is the fortified foods. And the sixth one is addressing non-nutritional causes. हमको जो fortified foods means होता है कि हम अपने डाइट में या हम एडवाइस करना है जो बेनिफिशियल एज ग्रुप है उनके डाइट में जो एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिएंट जो है वो ऐड करने के लिए बोलना है फॉर द मेंटेनिंग ऑफ आयरन एंड फॉलिक एसिड. Then last one is addressing the non-nutritional causes. In that means we can provide the ऐसे ऐसे हमको जो है रीजंस जो है उनको एक्सप्लेन करना है जिसके थ्रू जो है वो एनीमिया जो है वो कॉज करता है. दैट इज द सिक्स इंटरवेंशन इन दैट द एनीमिया मुक्त भारत प्रोग्राम. Same things here, that is six intervention. The first one is a prophylactic iron folic acid supplementation. Second one is a deworming, periodic deworming of children, adolescents, and as well as the pregnant women. Third one is we can provide, yeah, we can the intensified year-round behavioral chills communication campaign. Then fourth one is a testing of anemia using the digital methods and a point of care treatment. Then the fifth ones we can provide the iron and folic acid fortified foods. And the last one we can addressing the non-nutrient causes of anemia in the particular age group as well as a particular disease. Six intervention, in that the first one is prophylactic iron and folic acid supplementation. This involves providing iron and folic acid supplements to target groups like children, adolescents, and women of reproductive age to prevent and treat anemia. First point is prophylactic iron and folic acid supplementation. We can provide the target group. जो target group है इस target group में जो beneficiary age group है उसमें से जो है मेनली जो फोकस किया गया चिल्ड्रन, एडोलेसेंट्स एज वेल एज अ वीमेन ऑफ रिप्रोडक्टिव एज ग्रुप, दैट इज 15 to 45 years age group, for the prevention as well as the trait of anemia. Then the second one is a deworming. Deworm means we can जो पैरासाइटिक इन्फेक्शन है उसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए we can administer the deworming medication. This intervention focuses on reducing the anemia caused by parasitic infections by administering deworming medications to children and adolescents. Deworming किसको provide करना है किस target group को? For the children as well as the adolescent. For this intervention, deworming interventions के through we can reduce the anemia because it can be caused by the parasitic infection. Anemia Mukt Bharat, in that include the intervention in that the third point, intensified behavior change communication, that is IPCC. This involves raising awareness and promoting positive health behaviors related to anemia, prevention and management through various communication channels. Intensified behavioral change communication, that is IPCC, is a focused strategies to educate, motivate, and support individuals and community to adopt positive health behaviors, especially related to anemia prevention and control. It is an essential pillar of public health programs like Anemia Mukt Bharat. Intensified behavioral change communication is a focused strategy to educate, motivate, and support the individuals and communities to adopt positive health behavior, especially related to anemia prevention and control. The goal of IBCC, that means the goal of intensified behavioral change communication, include increase the awareness about anemia, its causes, symptoms, and prevention, promote the health seeking behavioral like deworming, iron tablet, as well as screening, and also promote the dietary improvement, iron rich food, as well as proper cooking and methods. That means we can the aware regarding the prevention and control of anemia. Then the fourth point is a testing of anemia using digital methods and point of care treatment. Testing of anemia using digital methods and point of care treatment. This aims to improve access to timely anemia diagnosis and treatment through the use of digital hemoglobinometers and point of care testing. Means we can the use of digital methods to identify the anemia, as well as डिजिटल मेथड्स एज वेल एज पॉइंट ऑफ केयर ट्रीटमेंट. डिजिटल मेथड्स में आप देख सकते हैं फर्स्ट पिक्चर्स हैं एंड द सेकंड पिक्चर दैट इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ केयर ट्रीटमेंट. द सेकंड पिक्चर इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ केयर ट्रीटमेंट. थ्रू द methods in that the methods के थ्रू हम एनीमिया को हम जो है वो डायग्नोस कर सकते हैं, टेस्ट कर सकते हैं एनीमिया को, एज वेल एज वी कैन प्रोवाइड द प्रिवेंशन एज वेल एज अ कंट्रोल रिगार्डिंग द एनीमिया. Then, fifth one, iron and folic acid fortified foods. This ensures that iron and folic acid are added to commonly consumed foods like wheat flour and rice through government funded program. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि व्हाट इज द फोर्टिफाइड फूड्स मीन्स को होता है कि हम जो एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिएंट जो प्रोवाइड करते हैं अपने जो डेली जो है डाइट के साथ. तो फोर्टिफाइड फूड्स आर फूड्स दैट हैव एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिएंट्स एडेड टू देम, either to replace nutrient loss during the processing or added nutrient that are not naturally present in the food. We can naturally जो food में present नहीं है but extra we can provide the food, the extra we can nutrient provided या extra nutrient added to the food, that is a fortified foods. तो iron folic acid fortified foods हमको extra जो है हम food जो या nutrient जो हम चिल्ड्रन को या जो बेनिफिशियल एज ग्रुप है उसको हम प्रोवाइड करें, उसके अलावा हमको जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिएंट जो है वो प्रोवाइड करना है, ये एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिएंट जो है वो ऐड करना है इन दैट द एनीमिया मुक्त भारत प्रोग्राम के थ्रू. Then the last one, addressing the non-nutritional causes of anemia. Addressing non-nutritional causes of anemia. This focuses on anemia caused by factors other than poor nutrients such as malaria, hemoglobinopathies, and fluorosis, particularly in area where these are prevalent. कुछ ऐसे जो है वो क्रॉनिक डिसीजेस या इन्फ्लामेशन होते हैं जिसके थ्रू वो एनीमिया कॉज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल chronic infections and inflammation, like the condition like tuberculosis, HIV, या chronic kidney disease can reduce the red blood cells production. मीन्स कुछ ऐसे जो chronic infection and inflammation है like tuberculosis, HIV, या chronic kidney disease can reduce the RBC production. Then as well as we can in that the chronic infection or inflammation है इसके थ्रू हमको early diagnosis as well as treatment for the chronic diseases, as well as the we can provide the management regarding that the diseases. Then the second example we can say that the parasitic infection. The parasitic infection like malaria, hookworm infection, they causes the blood loss or destruction of red blood cells. It after that we can monitor, yeah, we can action the regular deworming, especially in the children as well as the adolescents girl. जो पैरासाइटिक इन्फेक्शन होते हैं, पैरासाइटिक इन्फेक्शन लाइक वी कैन कॉज, हम बोल सकते हैं मलेरिया है या वो फॉर्म इन्फेक्शन है, ये क्या कॉज करते हैं ब्लड लॉस या डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रेड ब्लड सेल्स. तो इसके थ्रू ये जो पैरासाइटिक इन्फेक्शन है इसके हम रेगुलर मॉनिटरिंग कर सकते हैं, रेगुलर डीवॉर्म कर सकते हैं स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन एज वेल एज द एडोलेसेंट्स गर्ल्स. एज वेल एज द मलेरिया, अगर मलेरिया हो रहा है तो उसके लिए वी कैन यूज कर सकते हैं मॉस्किटो नेट. तो दैट इज एड्रेसिंग द नॉन न्यूट्रिशनल कॉज ऑफ एनीमिया. तो बहुत सारे क्रॉनिक इन्फेक्शन है, इन्फ्लामेशन है, पैरासाइटिक इन्फेक्शन है जिसके थ्रू हम जो है वो एनीमिया को प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं. That all the six intervention anemia मुक्त भारत program include 6 into 6 into 6 strategies. ऑलरेडी 2 strategies हमने पढ़ चुका. पहला है जो 6 बेनिफिशियरी एज ग्रुप है एंड 6 जो है इंटरवेंशन. अब हम नेक्स्ट 6 strategies देखते हैं. 6 institutional mechanisms. Six institutional mechanisms include: first, intra-ministerial coordination; second, National Anemia Mukt Bharat Unit; National Center of Excellence and Advanced Research on Anemia Control; fourth one is convergence with other ministries and strengthening supply chain and logistics. Then sixth one is an Anemia Mukta Bharat dashboard and digital portal, one-stop shop for anemia. Six institutional mechanisms. First one is intra-ministerial coordination. This mechanism ensures collaboration and alignment between different government ministries and departments involved in addressing anemia, such as health, women and child development, and food and public distribution. Intra-ministerial coordinations mean it is a collaboration between the different government ministries and departments for the prevention as well as the control of anemia, in that include the health, women and child development as well as the food and public distribution. Then the second one is Anemia Mukta Bharat Program Management Unit. This unit is responsible for overall program planning, implementation, monitoring and evaluation of Anemia Mukta Bharat activities at the national level. Anemia Mukta Bharat Program Management Unit, it is a first responsible at the national level, then national level जो ओवरऑल प्लानिंग प्रोग्राम, ये जो प्रोग्राम है उसका कंप्लीटली प्लानिंग, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, मॉनिटरिंग एंड इवेल्युएशन ऑफ एनीमिया मुक्त जो भारत है उसके जो है इसके ओवरऑल जो है वो नेशनल लेवल पे जो है किया जाता है. एनीमिया मुक्त भारत प्रोग्राम मैनेजमेंट यूनिट, दिस यूनिट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ओवरऑल प्रोग्राम प्लानिंग, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, monitoring and evaluation of Anemia Mukt Bharat activities at the national level. Third one, National Center of Excellence and Advanced Research on Anemia Control, NCEARA, National Center of Excellence and Advanced Research on Anemia Control. This center focuses on building capacity among healthcare providers and developing the training material for the new research फॉर द एनीमिया कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम के लिए नए जो है वो ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल जो है वो डेवलप किया जाता है, एज वेल एज द मेन पर्पस टू एस्टेब्लिश as a technical and research hub to support anemia control efforts across in India. Then fourth one is convergence with other ministries. Convergence means the fact two or more things idea view become similar और कम टुगेदर. आपस में बहुत सारे जो मिनिस्ट्री हैं अपने आइडियाज व्यू जो है जो सिमिलर है वो मिलके आपस में जो वर्क करते हैं, दैट इज कन्वर्जेंस विथ अदर मिनिस्ट्री. दिस mechanism ensure that the anemia mukt bharat strategies is integrated with the other relevant government program and initiatives. The other government programs like Ministry of Women's and Child Developments, इसके अंदर हम देखते हैं growth monitoring as well as iron and folic acid supplementation, growth monitoring, then next free educations, that all things include in the Ministry of Women's and Child Development, Ministry of Education. तो बहुत सारे आपस में जो गवर्नमेंट है वो आपस में मिलकर जो वर्क करके, that is convergence with other ministries. Then fifth one is strengthening supply chain and logistics. IFA, that is the iron folic acid supplementation, deworming medication and other necessary resources to the target beneficiary. Here logistics means होता है कि management या managing how resources are required, stored and transported to their final area या final place. उस particular जो है जैसे कि आयरन फॉलिक एसिड सप्लीमेंटेशन है, डीवॉर्मिंग मेडिकेशन है या अदर रिसोर्सेस है, अदर नेसेसरी रिसोर्सेस को उसके पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे कैसे जो ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है, स्टोर करना है, दैट इज स्ट्रेंथनिंग सप्लाई चेन एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स टू द टारगेट बेनिफिशियरी. Then the last one, Anemia Mukta Bharat Dashboard Digital Portal. It is this one-stop portal provides real-time data and information on program progress, enabling of effective monitoring and evaluation at various levels. एनीमिया मुक्त भारत डैशबोर्ड, इट इज अ डिजिटल पोर्टल होता है जिसमें हम रियल टाइम एक बार जो है एंट्री करने के बाद कंप्लीट ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमको जो है वो प्रोवाइड करता है. दैट इज एनीमिया मुक्त भारत डैशबोर्ड डिजिटल पोर्टल. Next one, similar programs implemented in India.
Since 1970s, the government has devised several programs to reduce the prevalence of anemia in India, like first one, National Nutritional Anemia Control Program, that is NNACP, National Nutritional Anemia Control Program. Second one is weekly iron and folic acid supplementation, WIFS, weekly iron and folic acid supplementation. Third one, National Iron Plus Initiative, that is NIPI. An intensified NIPI program referred to as the Anemia Mukt Bharat Strategies means जो एनीमिया आयरन प्लस इनिशिएटिव है इसी को ही रेफर किया गया किसमें एनीमिया मुक्त भारत स्ट्रेटेजीज में। तो ये सिमिलर प्रोग्राम है एनीमिया मुक्त भारत जो प्रोग्राम है इट इज अ सिमिलर लाइक अ नेशनल न्यूट्रिशनल एनीमिया कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम, वीकली आयरन एंड फॉलिक एसिड सप्लीमेंटेशन, नेशनल आयरन प्लस इनिशिएटिव। Next one, most successful intervention of Anemia Mukta Bharat program. First, nutritional education and promotion. Second one is assist to iron supplementation. Third one is improved sanitation and hygiene. Fourth one is for food fortification. And the last one is mass drug administration. First one is nutrition education and promotion. Education and promotion of a balanced diet that is rich in iron and other essential vitamins and minerals can help reduce the prevalence of anemia. Nutrition, education, and promotion. Education and promotion of balanced diet that is very rich in iron and other essential vitamin and minerals. It can help reduce the prevalence of anemia. Second one is iron supplementation. Access to iron supplementation can help reduce prevalence of anemia that allow the individuals to increase their iron intake. Third one is improved sanitation and hygiene. Poor sanitation and hygiene practice can lead to increase the prevalence of anemia, and we can improving this practice can help reduce the prevalence of anemia. Improved sanitation and hygiene. Poor sanitation and poor hygiene practice can lead to anemia, but we can improve this practice. It can help reduce prevalence of anemia. Fourth one is food fortification. Fortified food with iron can help increase iron intake for individuals and reduce the prevalence of anemia. Then fifth one, mass drug administration. Mass drug administration of iron supplements has been found to be effective intervention for reduce prevalence of anemia. Mass drug administration, that means it may be the through the mass drug administration of iron supplementation has been found to be effective intervention for reducing prevalence of anemia. That is the most successful intervention of anemia mukta bharat program. Nutritional education and promotion, access to iron supplementation, improve the sanitation and hygiene, food fortification, and mass drug administration. Anemia Mukt Bharat program. It is launched in 2018 by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. It is also known as Intensified National Iron Plus Initiative. Anemia Mukta Bharat program, it includes life cycle approaches. Life cycle approach means it from childhood to old age group, as well as in that include 6 into 6 into 6 strategies. That means in that the 6 beneficiary age group, 6 interventional, as well as 6 institutional mechanism. That is 6 into 6 into 6 strategies. Means इसमें जो है वो टोटल 6 into 6 into 6 प्लानिंग जो है वो किया गया है for there is a reduce the prevention of anemia. The 6 beneficiaries age group include 6 to 59 months. Then next is a 5 years to 9 years. Then next is a 10 to 19 years, that is adolescents. Women of reproductive age group, lactating mother and pregnant women. That is a 6 beneficiary age group. इस beneficiary age group है इसमें एनीमिया के जो प्रिवलेंस रेट है उसको रिड्यूस करना है। तो आज के लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा एनीमिया मुक्त भारत प्रोग्राम।
इन दैट द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट स्ट्रेटेजीज जो है वो दिया गया है।